Good girl. No, 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 no. Maddie, let's not open it out here. Maddie. How come some days you can carry it all the way to the house and other days you're the shredder? And the bird's laughing at you. All right, what have we got? Oh, those are Ellie's pills. Okay, you gonna take Ellie's pills to her? Of note, Amazon, the plastic bags are much better. Definitely more Dane-proof. Take that to Ellie. Those are Ellie's. Good girl. Take Ellie her Cosequin. Come on. Okay, so since you're so interested in paper today, you got it? Good girl. Let's go take Ellie her pills. Come on. Get the pills. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Or do you want to try the newspaper? I'll carry those. You got them? What do you think? You want to try the paper? I don't know if today's a good paper day. It's sort of a Terry day. Okay, here we go. Get the paper. Not the, no, that's the plastic. Okay, two choices. Which would you like? You gotta come back and clean that up. Do you want the pills? Get the pills. Get Ellie's pills for her. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's take Ellie your pills. There's Ellie. Come on. Good girl, Maddie. You got them? Come on. There you go. All right. Good girl. Come on. Let's go get Ellie. Let's go see Ellie. There's Ellie. There's Ellie. Ellie's sunning. Come on. No, that's the backyard. Come on. This way. Let's go see Ellie. Come on, Maddie. Good girl. Let's go. Come on. We'll take them to the front door. Take them to Ellie. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Okay, we're going to roll them there. I know, the lid is fascinating. You got it? Come on. There you go. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Let's go see Ellie. There's Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Good girl, Maddie. You got them most of the way. Are you enjoying the sunshine, madam? Are you enjoying the sunshine? Yeah. All right. Oh, everybody's going to lie and enjoy the sunshine. All right. No, we're not going to chew them. Okay. We'll get them inside and get them in Ellie. For their joints. And poor Ellie's also got a hot spot, so yeah. We'll get you feeling better. Okay, come on, ladies. Let's go. We're just stay and enjoy the sunshine. Good girls. Good girls. Pretty girls. Good girl. That was good. Sit. Sit. Oh, that's back up. All right. Pose there. Good girls.